I'm taking down my Christmas decor, taking everything down, and I'm trying to organize it the way I want to use it next year, if the Lord is willing. So I'm trying to get it organized. So let me just show you this. I have all my picks in there. I have green and golds and silvers and clear in this tote. And I have more green ornaments in that bag and then some below. Then I have all my brown ornaments here. Some of these I won't use next year. And then I have these little red, white, I have these items here, these tabletop trees and nutcrackers and just miscellaneous ornaments. Then over here, I'm gonna get those tabletop trees down. And as you can see, I'm getting the garland down and that all goes in here. And then I'm gonna get the garland down off my mantle. I'm gonna take these down. I have all the ornaments off of this tree, and then I have all my red ornaments over here. And I have some in the bag. I took this tree down, the big tree, and then I have to clean up all this glitter and everything. So this here is all the stuff from the garland on the banisters. Guys, I have so much cleaning to do. I'm gonna be a couple days cleaning this. I just wanted to give you a flavor, so I'm gonna do a little bit more off camera. I'll do a little bit on camera, because after Christmas is over, it's a lot to get all these, little specks of glitter. I don't use a lot of glitter, but a little bit of glitter. Have to get that up. So it's gonna take me a minute. I have to go down and dust bust the steps. And so yeah, so I'm gonna come back. Isn't this pretty? Look at this, look at that face. That's so pretty. So I am going to take this off. We're gonna move this out the way. So guys, this table is so old, but I don't want to spend the money for another one. So I'm saying that this table has character, because it has some scratches on it. But it definitely has character. It's a nice table, but over the years, she has taken a few licks. This is my winter refresh. I really, really love this vase. Let me stand over here. Okay, So I'm going to add a little bit more winter greenery. So I'm going to mix in a little bit more Norfolk pine or cypress just to kind of fill it out a little bit more. Because I have the Norfolk pine kind of around the perimeter of the winter, more winter fir. See, so that looks better. And so I'm going to do something now on this side of the room. Okay, guys, I have this pretty blue and white vase. So I'm going to add in this magnolia. And let's see what this is. A little taller. Okay, so let me stand back. I like that. And this is a work in progress because I'm really just trying to rush to kind of get this done. Now let me stand back and look. Let me stand back here and look at this. That looks pretty good. So this is just the beginning of me decorating for winter. So this is just the beginning. So I have some more magnolia upstairs and I'm gonna fill this out a little bit more, but I'm just gonna give you a pan around just to let you see so far how I've changed it, made some subtle changes to this room and just for wintertime. Okay, just some subtle changes. Here is my winter refresh of the room. My beautiful Christmas tree is gone. And so I'm just panning around to let you see that I did make a few subtle changes. So let's just start off over by the entryway. All right, so moving over to my entryway, I would say this is the first thing that you might see if you open the door, if you look to the right. So I changed out the arrangement in my blue and white vase with some magnolia and other dried florals. So I think that looks nice. I'm going to add a little more to that, to this vase here. I want to say I got these magnolias last year from Amazon, some of them, and some I might have had from a couple years past. But I do like magnolias, and I think the wintertime is a good time as a transition greenery between seasons. I think it kind of transcends throughout the year, but I think this is a nice arrangement for the entryway. So now if you come in through the front door and you look to the left, this is what you see. So let's walk over to this credenza. And I thought that this time I would add some really nice family photos. So I have my pictures of my grandkids, and then there's a picture of my husband and I. And so my next change is to make some changes to a couple of my plants. I'm gonna repot a couple of them. So what I'm trying to do, as much as possible, is have all the pots white. And then I have over here my greenery, my winter greenery for my centerpiece here on the table. So I have some Norfolk mixed in with some winter fir. So I think this turned out quite nicely for, winter time. It's a nice clean look. So I'll bring you back to let you see how, after I repot these plants, just trying to get some consistency with them, get them to look a little bit more uniform. But this is the way it's looking for now.